Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello to everybody that's new and hello to all my returning subscribers. Welcome back to my channel, and for anybody that's new, make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications, turn your bell on because that way you will get notifications every time I upload one of these kinds of videos. In today's video, I'm going to actually share with you guys something that not only spiritually but kind of physically too helps protect your doorways of your house. Okay, I'm going to share with you a recipe that is very powerful in cleaning your doorways, to open your roads, to open your paths, to cleanse the doorway, because so many people come in and out of our house, right? It could be plumbers, it could be family members, it could be coworkers, it could be friends, it could be family, like it could be anybody that comes into your house and you don't really know who carries what kind of energy. And so this is something that you can do anytime you need to unblock the path of you and to unblock the path of your roadway, and like to cleanse your doorway, to cleanse your path, cleanse your road, if you get what I'm saying. So what you're going to need is 2 ingredients, and that is it. And I will show you guys how to do that in just a second. Here are the 2 ingredients that you're going to need. So first one is water, and you're going to want to do it in a pot that you can boil, okay? Because we're going to want to boil this to get the essence of the next ingredient out, which is peppermint. Okay, you guys, you can use fresh peppermint like I have here from my garden, or you can use dried peppermint like I have there. So it's up to you. It's up to what you have. And what you're going to do, I'm just going to use both, and I'm going to go ahead and put both of them into my water right there. And then you're going to boil this. You're going to boil this for about, until it comes up to a boil, okay? And then you're going to use this water. You're going to strain it, and you're going to cool it down. And then you're going to use this on your door. You're going to wipe down the front of your door, the back of your door, your back door, your front door, any doors that you have around your house. You just wipe it down with this mixture. And it helps to open your roads. It helps to clear out blockages, clear out the energy of anybody that has been coming in and out of your house. Now, this is a lot right here, and you're going to use however much water that you need for however many doors that you have. And with the leftover, like, you know, when you strain it and stuff, just throw it away. Throw it away in the garbage outside your house. Hey guys, it's the end of the night and my mixture is cooled down now. This is kind of the color that it should look like. I don't want to spill it, but what you're going to do is take a cloth. You're going to wet your cloth, strain it out. It's cooled down, it's wet, it smells really, really good. And then what you're going to do is just go ahead and wipe down your, look, do you see how it took down all the dirt, right? Look at how it cleans the door too. So what you're going to do is just wipe down your entire door with this mixture. And you don't even need cleaning spray. Look at you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And then that's it. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my entire front door. I'm going to wipe down my entire back door. And that is it. And then afterwards, you just throw this in your washing machine with your towels. Or your bed sheets, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my Patreon because I have over 300 videos on there that goes even deeper into this kind of stuff, like more recipes and spells that I can't really put here on YouTube. You can find over there on Patreon. And I do every weekly, like a week ahead reading of your week ahead challenges, your week ahead blessings, your week ahead assignments, what you need to look forward to, what you need to do to prepare for the week ahead. That's every single week on Patreon. You guys can also visit my Etsy shop where I have actually a spiritual rinse that you can put, like you could take a bath with that rinse. You can even mop your floors with that rinse, and that's up in my shop. along with so many other products that I'm so excited to bring to you guys. And they leave my altar, then they come to you. They come blessed and charged, okay? And then I have a book that I wrote on Amazon that you guys can get of all the spells that I have tried and my clients have tried, you guys have tried. And so I decided to write an entire book, and it's 30 spells that you guys can do yourself at home. Simple spells, simple things you might even already have in your kitchen, in your pantry, and it's all in that book. It's easy, it's simple, and all of these things work. Otherwise, I would not have written this book. And so, yes, I will see you guys in that platform, wherever you choose to go. And I really hope you guys wash your doors. Wash your doors. Okay? I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.